The way the process starts usually is we get a phone call from a customer that has a particular part. In this case, we're going to talk about a spring that we actually package for one of our customers. It's actually a clutch spring for an ATV engine. The other unique thing about this spring is it's actually loaded and retrieved by robots, by a robotic fixture. So location and spacing and springs landing in the same place every time is critical. So we send our sales associates down to meet with the customer, sit down face to face, ask some very simple questions about how many parts per package, how much can the package weigh, so that when we design the package, we get it right the first time. And we don't have to spend multiple weeks trying to come up with one package. We'll gather all that information and then bring it back to our office here, work with our engineering design team to start putting the pieces together to actually design a package. Basically what we do is we start with a flat sheet of plastic, an extruded piece of plastic. We place it in a clamp frame, and then we run that clamp frame into an oven. It sets in the oven for whatever period of time it takes to heat that particular type and thickness of plastic. We then bring that back out. We introduce a mold into the hot sheet, and we simply, through vacuum, evacuate all the air that's trapped between the sheet and the mold. So all we do is evacuate that air, and the sheet takes on the shape of the mold. It sits there for a cooling cycle, and you have taken a flat sheet of plastic and turned it into a 3D object. So we're still inside of a week from the customer making that initial call to us to actually package these springs till we had a working prototype tray to take to the customer. The customer approved those, the ISAR samples, the initial samples, and we were kicked off to go into production. So the total lead time for this particular program, and every program varies a little bit, but we were able to go from a customer's part to a working vacuum formed tray in a period of about 3 weeks. And that is one of the things that sets Proform Plastics apart from most other companies, is our fast response from design through production.